Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I drew this mysterious girl with golden eyes. No pencil sketching, just regular good old pen and alcohol markers. Let's get started. I started off with a very thin pen, and instead of using a pencil first, I went straight into drawing. To build a base, I made a simple T shape, one line for the face center and one for where the eyes will go. From there, I lightly shaped the head and began sketching the hair flowing with the hood. Next, I drew the neck and shoulders, adding a few wavy lines at the ends to make the flow of her cloak look more dynamic and pretty. Don't worry about being perfect here, just let the lines move naturally. After that, I moved on to the face. I outlined the lips with a rough, rigid stroke to give her a more expressive look, then started drawing the scars across her face. Those cracks helped tell her story. Then, I add her eyes and eyebrows, keeping them sharp and intense. Once the line work was done, I started using my alcohol markers. By the way guys, all this stuff is in the link description below if you want to check out the materials I used for this video. So now I used black to fill in the hood and cloak first. Then I layered different shades of yellow for the eyes and the golden cracks. This is what makes her look powerful and almost otherworldly. For the skin, I used shades of peach and orange to create a warm tone that stands out against the dark hood. Then, I added red for the lips and some extra black details around the edges to bring everything together. I also went ahead to continue shading in the hair, adding more varieties of silver and gray color. From here, I started coloring in the scars, trying to add a bit more of pop to around the eyes and the iris. From here, now that I basically finished the overview of the art, I started filling in any white gaps that I see, anything that seemed out of place, trying to add more color and trying to make it look more defined by adding colors to the skin or around it. I make the outlines of the cloak where I want to fill in the color, just so it's easier for me to track. With a dark colored marker, I decided to add in sort of strands in the hair so that it looked more realistic. Now, I go over with a black marker to add shading to the clothing. In the alcohol set marker, there's a white marker that is specifically used only for blending, so throughout the art piece, I use it to make sure the colors bleed seamlessly into one another. And that's how I made this drawing. I really love how the gold and the black contrast, giving her this mysterious, powerful vibe. If you enjoyed this video or tried drawing along, let me know that in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more art videos.